Is there a super close substitute for graham crackers? I'm from Canada, where there are multitudes of graham crackers. But I'm currently living in Australia. They do not have anything like graham crackers here, and I could really use them for a couple recipes I'm developing. Does anyone have a close substitute for graham crackers? I'm looking at making my own, but that seems like a tedious task just to crumble them up again.
First off, try digestive biscuits. They're really very similar cookies, crackers, biscuits, and it's a common enough substitution that it's even mentioned on Wikipedia. See link 1. Cook's thesaurus, see link 2. Implies that they're called wheatmeal biscuits in Australia. And sourdough's suggestion of particularly crunchy gingersnaps might work too, but you'll also want to make sure they're not too spicy. Unfortunately, I don't know about specific varieties since I'm not Australian. I was in Australia last winter and discovered they don't sell any kind of graham wafer. I substituted the digestive cookies, biscuits, and found they are not as sweet. Although the crust tasted good, the next time I made the graham wafer crust, I added a teaspoon of sugar to the digestive biscuit crumbs. Now it tasted closer to the graham wafer crust I was used to.